Oh my god. I'm not sure, but my faction name is um, Zero.
Cannot wash your hands of Namor.
It's only baddies, but with a zero.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Got it. Don't panic, guys.
Assemble!
Attack them! How refreshing! Denizens of the deep, feel the ocean's chill.
They've almost got it!
We must claim this land.
Deep freeze.
Attack them!
It's the grand finale.
Maximum pulse!
I'm dead. God fucking damn.
I am ready to put on a show.
I think I need to switch.
Maximum pulse! That's what happens when you pick a fight. We must claim this land.
Bro, Shark has ult.
We must claim this land.
Bro, don't get off it.
Perfect. Hex. Ah!
Attack them! Feel the ocean's chill.
A nice deep freeze. Mind the exploding plasma.
I fucking got off. My bad. No, only baddies. With the zero.
My kingdom shall rise as swiftly as the seas.
We got it.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready. Be your best self.
Ah, the world-famous Luna Snow. I remember her from a long time
You got it,
ago.
Mav.
Oh my
Star,
God,
you got
you're
it, you got
right.
it.
I'm gonna get old someday, and then I'm going to. Oh man, I need to chill out. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, you're
All you
fine.
need to
Oh,
do
we
is
got
capture the
it for real.
area. Got it?
When this is all said and done, the Red Room will resume business as usual.
Denizens of the deep,
We can totally take this break.
and I see ally awakens.
That one hurts.
Found it, yay.
That is much better.
Look out behind you. The missionary.
That ult is so fucking stupid, bro.
And stay down. 2 points, Star-Lord.
Well, if you say Venom, then that's good. I feel like nobody ever really plays tank.
Maximum pulse!
A nice deep
Your
freeze.
king from the coldest depths. No swimming away now, little
Spy some
fish.
bad guys.
We're finding our groove.
My strength is returning.
Show's over.
That's good, cause like, trust me, nobody ever plays tank.
Protect your king from the coldest depths. So may wash our
That one hurt.
No way. They don't even have a tank. Oh, never mind it.
I am.
I really should switch, bro. I think I'm the problem here.
You're not going anywhere. Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
On your six.
That's the. Just here to do my duty. Maximum pulse!
They've almost got it! Plasma!
That was so fucking dumb.
First!
I am returned to claim what is mine. Seize this area.
Get in there.
Make it ours. Bogies, here they come.
Bro,
Born again!
why is the tank pushing? My bad, that was on me, guys.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
I don't want to end on a loss. Just weren't damaging enough, I guess. Let me go pee and then I'll ready up again. I'll be right back. Actually, should I end? I think I should end 7 AM, bruh. GG's, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end. I'm tired, actually. Good night. Oh, Miss Shania, no! I did have space. I think they're gonna play though. I think Star and Mav are gonna play. I do have a Discord server, yes. But yeah, I'm about to raid out, guys. Copy and paste the raid message. Please raid 1 if you're not subbed, and then the rest of the raid is if you are subbed. My head is kind of hurting right now. GG's, thank you guys for the game. Sorry I couldn't carry Mav. I'm getting off right now. Arc. This is my my server though. Good night, good luck. I appreciate y'all. And raid mama. Bye.